Welcome back to my channel Gadgets for Gentlemen. This is Lawrence. I just got some straps in by Vario, and in this short video I just want to give you a first impression of this silicone straps that also come with a quick release system. So just overall a very brief video. This is a very nice one in green. I will leave a link in the description. Beautiful buckle here with the brand name Vario, and I have one in black. These are 20mm straps, so for any watch with a lug of 20mm this will work. So this is the mini turtle. Let's quickly throw it on the Vario strap. Let me just remove the original spring bar too. See, that was quite easy. So there we have the mini turtle. Let's throw it on the black one. So the part with all the holes goes to the 6 o'clock position, like so. And I start with this side. Up next is I use this little lever here to squeeze in the spring bar, and as you can see, that was super easy. And with this system you don't need a spring bar tool to change straps, so that's very good. So first side is in. As you can see, this silicone strap is quite substantial, but I don't think it is as thick as the original strap by SEIKO. I think the SEIKO strap is just slightly thicker than the one by Vario. Now let's proceed with the 12 o'clock position. And again, I'm gonna start with this side. That's it. And then I'm gonna use my nail to squeeze this little pin inside. There we go. The spring bar is inside. Now I need to find the drilled lug. As you can see, you can hear a click. Now it's in. And this is what it looks like. I think it looks very nice with this black strap. It will suit any dive watch. As you can see, I think we don't have any taper. It's just a straight strap, 20mm at the lugs and 20 at the buckle. And as you can see, the material is very flexible. 2 keepers. Very nice. The strap is quite soft, so that's comfy on the wrist. There we go. I think it looks very nice. So let me toss it on the wrist. I'm here wearing the glycine on a tropical rubber strap. This strap, I think, is from Watch Gecko. Also highly recommended. Let me throw it on the wrist. Ooh, this is very comfortable. So there we go. As you can see, it sits on the wrist very nicely. Can even make it a bit looser. So this is, my wrist size is 6.3 inches and I'm somewhere in the middle. So I guess this strap will work with any wrist size. And the beauty of this strap is you can easily just undo the strap with this system. So that takes like less than a minute to remove it and to throw on a new strap. So again, I'm gonna start with the 6 o'clock position, the 12 o'clock, and I'm gonna put in the spring bar, use the system, press it down, and wait for the click. That's it. Now I'm gonna go with the 6 o'clock. Again, I'm gonna start with this one. And press down this lever. And as you can see, that totally changes the look of this watch. This green with that blue dial. I think it looks very good. Actually, I'm gonna keep it on this strap for now. I'm here on holidays, so I think it's good to wear this silicone strap when I head out to the beach or to the swimming pool. So that's it. That's the green strap. Let me throw it on the wrist to give you one shot. So there we go. And again, we can see the beautiful buckle here with the brand name embossed. 2 keepers, and this is what it looks like. I think it looks amazing. Definitely look forward to wear this to the pool, to the beach. I think these straps are quite affordable. I will leave them in the link, as I told you before. So yeah, definitely look into them. Many more videos to come. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit that subscribe button, like, comment. I'll definitely get back to you. So have a wonderful day and see you soon.